Hello, friends. I'm Madhavi. Welcome to the first podcast of Madhavi's Learning. So, today we have a special guest with us, an accomplished engineer who has made significant contributions in the world of information and technology. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Pragyesh Yadav. Sir is a distinguished engineer and expert in information and technology. Sir has a well rounded background in his field, and Sir has 8 years of experience, 3 years with TCS, 3 years with John Deere, and presently working with the Sophos from the last 2 years. Sir is an expert with Java, full stack developer, front end, back end AWS, and has worked on an on site project in Germany. स्वागत है सर आपका हमारे चैनल पे। कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you so much, Medhavi, for inviting me in your podcast. So I'm all good. Yep. Thank you for introducing me.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका, आपने हमारे लिए टाइम
Okay.
निकाले हैं। Sir, could you please start by sharing a little about your background and your journey into this field?
Yep, definitely. So you have already introduced me, so that's a wonderful introduction. I'll add something on it. That I have wide years of experience in the field of IT and information technology. I've started my career from TCS and worked 3 years in a multiple projects in and outside of the globe, and also worked in a manufacturing sector of the product-based company like John Deere. There we have provided the multiple solution for the dealership, and then I'm continuing my career and contributing in a cyber security sectors. So that is a very crucial in today's world. We are living in the era of internet. So yes, pretty exciting in your podcast, and you're also doing great job in the Medhavi learning.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Good on the terms of educating people, kids, everyone. So, yes.
Okay, sir. As we all know that the field of engineering is highly evolving. तो ऐसे कौन से current trends और innovations जो हैं जो आपको काफी exciting लगते हैं?
If you think about IT industry, that is all revolutionary world. Every day something new is coming, some new technology is coming, and which is overtaking the older technology. So you have to be in the race of the technology if you want to survive in the IT industry or in any of the world, I would say. So if you talk about typically in IT, so you know about generative AI, that is machine learning, chat GPT you might have heard of, right?
Yeah.
So that is changing the world. There was the era in around 1980 or 1970 when machines have came, and people have thought that machine will run their job. लोगों के पास जॉब नहीं रहेगी, machine will take everything. But now you can see that लोगों के पास उससे भी ज़्यादा jobs है. So now in the era where people are thinking that chat GPT and generative AI के बाद people will lose their jobs, right? Content writing and other things, because all the contents are automatically written. So people are thinking that they will lose their job, but they are not going to lose their job. They have to make their skill set more better using all such tools. These are the human-made things to serve the industries more better. So you have a more opportunity to learn something new to beat the world.
एग्जैक्टली सर। सर, एक आजकल बहुत ही कॉमन इशू है जो बच्चे जेडब्ल्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं। वी ऑल नो दैट दिस एग्जाम इज हाईली कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम एंड दे ऑफन फील प्रेशराइज्ड कि जब वो कर रहे हैं एग्जाम तो वो काफी प्रेशर फील करते हैं। तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे बच्चों से, बच्चों के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I feel that pressure, that is fine. You have to take the pressure. Then only you will be able to compete. Then only you will be able to compete with the lakhs of students around you. So that is important, but it's not like that कि आप extra pressure ले रहे हैं. You have to be cool and calm and focused. That is more important. And best thing is that just continue your studies along with what is the current trends which is going on, what is the current technologies, not only revolving around the previous things, previous facts and all. World is moving very fast. So yes,
Calmness
preparation
और
is very
patience बहुत
important and
जरूरी है
most.
हाँ.
Yes, patience is very patience, and you have to. It's just not about if you are not able to compete or not able to crack the IITs, crack the JEE, your future would be, and nothing is like that. You will be still be survive if you are still not able to beat the IIT, JEE. Still, you can rock the world. There are endless opportunities. So don't feel bad. That there's nothing like one exam can turn on your future
जज
or
यू और
turn off
जज
your
यू.
future. It's nothing like that.
बहुत अच्छी बात
Yes,
है सर आपने.
you have to continue working on. You have to continue work on wherever in your field. If you are in an engineering side, every day you have to work. Every day you have to work. If you are in, if you are in a industry, you have to work at least 7 to 8 hours on a focus and work on your skill set. Brush up your skill set. Then only you will be survive. It is a fight of fittest of the survival. Survival will be fit.
So can you please tell how important the colleges play role, like students doing hard for IIT, NIT, so for that their careers, like college role.
College play,
Yeah.
I would say college play uh, in the career or in college play about 10 to 15% only. Most of the thing that play important role is your surrounding. College is a medium that will provide you the very excellent environment for your studies, for shaping you in a better shape. For example, why people choose to go to IITs or NITs or any university outside of the India, why they are not willing to opt for any regular college? It is placement. Because if you are there in a IIT or in an NIT, you will get a good, very excellent student, very extraordinary student. Your mental level of your friends or your peers would be the same. So you can be well interactive, well focus on your studies, you will contribute more. But if you talk about if you are there in some private college or some you can say tier 4 or tier 5 college, there the people that you got, your friend circle will not be very intellectual, right?
Right,
So
right.
though your surrounding matters a lot, college will provide you the very extraordinary facilities. They will provide you a lab. They will provide you very good clubs, very good teachers. But it's all you whom you choose from your surrounding to better yourself. So choose your friends and peers very wisely. They will make you better or they will make you better. So that is what I will say. And we are living in the era of internet. So here, all knowledge is free. You can get the endless of knowledge over the internet. Earlier, it was the scarcity, so you can learn whatever you want. You can make your skill set very sharpened by uh, getting the things over the internet, over the YouTube, and people like you who are making extraordinary content to make the students more and more educative toward their skill set. So yep,
Okay.
everything is pretty simple. You just need to be a very curiosity should be there to learn.
Then
Hunger
only
of
you can.
learning should be there.
Curiosity is very important. Okay, so how important is it to switch job for more packages, and what should people consider for doing so? Please throw some aspects on this also.
Yep, switching job. That is if you talk about people who are there in initial of their career, they are more towards thinking about the switching job. What I would say that it is not a very bad thing. You have to switch jobs, but the reason should be very clear. First reason for switching the job, people they are going out for the money for the salary hike. That is obviously important. I would not say because financial settlement, betterment is very important. But think before why you are doing it. I would say that you have to more focus on your learnings, making your skill set very strong. So if you are there in the starting of your career, in the first year or a second year, focus on your skill set first. Brush up your skills. Focus on your coding skills, hands on it, and prove yourself first. Then only you can have to go for the switching your job. For example, I would say that in the currently in our industry, in service based industry mostly, from which the people start their career, like TCS, Infosys, SCL, and all these industries, right? So I know the salary package is not very high. It is around only 3 to 4 or maximum 5 to 6 lakhs, but it's not a bad. You should not think that I'm in a low package. You have to first think that this is the time of investing in myself. If you invested 2 years on yourself by making your, choose any of the language, choose any language like Java, choose any language like Python, and get mastery over it. 2 years are more than enough. You can do the mastery in a 6 months itself. But in the 2 years, you will get a very great exposure of the industries if you are already there. And if you are not, you have to map your brain accordingly. And then after you can do the switch. And again, if you are switching, you have to settle down, learn everything from the industry, then only go out for it, if you are thinking. But if you are getting everything on your same company or same profession, why to switch?
सर करियर के स्टार्टिंग डेज में सब लोग काफी स्ट्रगल फेस करते हैं अपने, राइट? इनिशियल डेज में आपने भी कुछ ऐसे स्ट्रगल फेस किए होंगे, some major challenges that you have faced and how you overcame them. Please tell your experience.
Yes, the starting days are very struggling. I would say that सबको struggle करना ही होता है and करना भी चाहिए. So those are the days when you are just pass out and you are not get placed. So you might be thinking of when I will get my job. So this is not the ये ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं है जहाँ पे आप खुद को डिमोरलाइज फील करो. This is a time to work on yourself, work on your skill set, and this is the era where you can sharpen your skills. If you talk about, you can go toward the animation, you can go toward the video editing, you can choose any of the programming languages, get mastery, do the hands-on, and prove yourself. And you will get the endless opportunities in the IT sector. Everyone, you can say every day there's some hiring is going on. So someone will definitely pick you if you are skillful. So just work on yourself, I would say, and you will end up doing great.
That's remarkable, sir. Sir, क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं about some projects or milestones in your career that have been particularly influential or memorable?
Uh, we are in the IT industry, and every day is a challengeable. Every day we have to solve some new problems, some new technology. For
Project.
example, if you're working on technology A, Microsoft will launch some new technology, right? Some new API they will launch. So you have to integrate with your that API with your application. If you're not going to integrate that API with your application is not going to use anyone. And so you will be get suppressed. So we are living in the very revolutionary world. So every day is a milestone. For example, if you talk about the cybersecurity sector, so more we are exposing ourselves, our identity, our organization identity in the internet. More hackers are vulnerable to attack in your organization, and take out your data, and you will be just collapse. So data is what that is a more priceless in the coming years. So you might have heard about the dark web. So dark web is something where each and everyone's data is getting sold in billions of dollars, right? So your phone number, your email ID, your each and every identity, if it is available in a dark web, everyone can find you there and do a scam over you. So you have to be very conscious, and that is the more challenging things, mostly in the cybersecurity world, and everyone is exposed towards you. If you're thinking about the Facebook, Instagram, they're all companies are working with the data. They are making money just because of your data. So think before you have to be very vigilant toward doing anything. So yep, that is one of the milestone that we are currently, and everyone should be aware of it in the cyber security. If you are there or if you are not there, you should be aware of.
अवेयर ऑफ एग्जैक्टली। सर ऐसे जो हमारे नए न्यू इंजीनियर्स हैं स्पेशली जो जुड़ना चाहते हैं इस फील्ड से या जुड़ चुके हैं तो उनके कुछ इनिशियल डेज होंगे तो उनके लिए आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से?
न्यू इंजीनियर्स, सो इफ आई वुड से अगर आपने इंजीनियरिंग लाइन चूज की है, सो यू आर half done because your vision is clear. So 50 if your vision is clear, आपको करना क्या है लाइफ में, you are half done. You just have to do your hard work and follow the some path and work on it, and you will get achieve. For example, if you are there in your अगर आप 10th class में हैं, people students are there in the 12th class, right? They need to start preparing themselves from the 10th class itself by doing all these competitive exam. But if you are in a college, first year you can just uh, chill, do have friends, have fun. But from the second years, you should be very serious. Second or third year. Two birds. If you are wanted to come and make your career in IT, you should be very serious about your coding skills. Towards making yourself, putting yourself on a more and more sort of hands-on, whatever you the language that you are choosing. So hands-on is very much important. Uh, Today in our IT industry, if you think about our education system, हमारे कॉलेज में मोस्टली हमें सिखाया जाता है रटना, असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना, एग्जाम देना, बट इंडस्ट्री में दिस इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज गोइंग टू वर्क, राइट? आप जितना ज्यादा हैंड्स ऑन करेंगे, जितना ज्यादा आप का इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपोजर होगा, जितना ज्यादा आप काम करेंगे, that is going to work you more and that will make your shape your career, right? तो करंट जाइए, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज चूज करिए, उसमें हैंड्स ऑन करिए, नंबर ऑफ एन नंबर ऑफ साइट्स आर देयर, ट्राई देयर कोड्स, do some mistake, get the errors, solve those errors. So these are the things only that will work out. And then prepare for your interview. That is very, very important. And in the interview, you should show your technical skill set. So if you are more towards the technical, everyone will pick you and invite you to work with them, your biggest MNC, and you can contribute there and make your career wonderful.
तो अपने स्किल्स पे बहुत वर्क करना चाहिए हमें, है ना?
Yes, because if you think right, हम ऐसी जनरेशन में हैं जहाँ पे कल जो टेक्नोलॉजी है शायद आज ना हो, एंड कल शायद फ्यूचर में कोई न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी हो, तो हमें कंटिन्यूसली वर्क करना पड़ेगा, लर्न करना पड़ेगा, राइट? अगर हम लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं लर्न करते हैं, इफ यू थिंक अबाउट, आई हैव सीन द पीपल, राइट, दे आर गेटिंग ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स and from IT itself, but and they have learned the language like JSP, HTML, but they haven't learned the new framework like Spring Boot, Angular, React.js, right? उनमें they haven't upgrade themselves. उनका future stuck हो गया है, right? They are no more useful for their organization. There no people are not going to hire them because they are mastered on the technology which is no more in use, right? So you have to continue work on yourself and upgrade yourself each and every day if you have to survive and make yourself more, make your career great.
बहुत अच्छी बात कही सर आपने। आपने जो भी हमारे साथ शेयर किया है अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस वो काफी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है हमारे लिसनर्स के लिए। तो आज बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ बात करने में। थैंक यू सो मच सर कि आपने अपना इतना प्रीशियस टाइम दिया हमारे लिए, बच्चों के लिए, जो बच्चे देख रहे हैं आपको, क्योंकि उनके लिए भी ये चीजें करना है। वो सोचते हैं कि अपने दिमाग में एक बनाते हैं ड्रीम कि हमारा ये गोल हम पूरा करेंगे आगे चल के। तो आपके कुछ नॉलेज से उनके शायद बहुत काम आएगा आपकी जो बातें हैं आज। थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपने
Yeah.
अपना टाइम दिया। थैंक यू सो मच टू आवर लिसनर्स ऑल्सो। जल्दी मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में। वीडियो को लाइक शेयर
Okay,
जरूर
thank you so
कीजिएगा।
much. Thank you so much, Madhavi. And
थैंक यू।
keep doing the great work. Keep educating the students. All the very best.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, friends, I hope you enjoyed our conversation with Mr. Pragyesh Yadav, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights and experiences. It has been a great pleasure having you on our channel. To our listeners, thank you so much for tuning in. And for more such conversations, please subscribe to our channel और वीडियो को शेयर लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।